How to change your page instant reply on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your page instant reply on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and scroll down, click pages, and now just select your page and click this settings icon in the top corner and then click messaging, and here you will find instant reply. Then all you need to do is just click here, and here you can change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.